Howdy folks, welcome to today's check-in. We're starting with Opus and Harry and Tiger in the little house. These guys have a custom cat tree in their space. It's made out of an actual tree with some man-made materials like plywood and carpet thrown in. There's a complete build video for this cat tree in the link down below.
Come on, Opus.
And I do want to thank all of the subscribers. You guys are pushing us quickly towards 500. Thank you. Here we are in the cabin checking in with Oliver and Kathy. We're all watching a little
He just loves saying the word.
Seth Meyers and whatnot. And next we're going to go check in the yurt with those six.
Daisy May. Hi. Hi. Hi, David Bozeman.
And anytime it's raining, you can definitely tell that
Chadwick
when we're in the yurt.
Tabby toes, tabby toes. Chadwick Bozeman. Hi, Papa. Hi. Daisy. Jimmy. Stache. Tabby toes. Hi, Tabby toes. Hi, Ginny. Hi, Mama. Hi. Hi, good girl. Junie likes to stick with the string.
Watch on your backswing that you don't smack him in the face, because that could be.
And we're gonna go ahead and finish up in the studio with Ghost and Jazmin. We're enjoying a little Legal AF update from Popak. Usually pretty interesting. Go ahead and click on that link to go to my channel, Catio Daddio. And otherwise, have a great day. Bye.